Hi everyone and welcome to this Vincent photography video. Today I will show you 3 of my favorite presets from my preset pack and 3 common adjustments you might want to make. Firstly, I just want to touch on the purpose of these presets. Underwater photography comes with many challenges, one of them being the lack of light. Less light means less colors, and red is the first color to go. This usually results in very green or very blue photos. The purpose of the presets is to bring this color back into the photos, what is known as color correction. The pack has been created to cover a wide range of conditions, from shallow to deep water, from green to blue. Because of these different conditions, different presets will work better on different photos. Let's jump into Lightroom. I have chosen 3 different photos and I will use a different preset on each of them and a different adjustment. This first photo is a GoPro photo of a bull shark in Fiji. I'm going to use the thalassophile preset on this photo. This preset works well for photos taken in shallower water or on photos that have already had some sort of color correction done, like auto white balance. You can see that I managed to get rid of a lot of the greens, especially on the shark itself. The only thing here is that the blue water looks a bit faded. I'm going to use the color mixer to bring some of that blue back. So I'm going to select the blue and I'm going to bring up that saturation. You can see now the water looks so much better. Okay, so let's look at our before, after using the preset, and after our small adjustment. Our next photo is also a GoPro photo shot on the Similan Islands in Thailand. I'm going to use the preset Elysian on this photo. This preset is great for photos that look a bit gray and green. It is the real color booster. You can see a massive difference after applying the preset, but it does look a little on the pink side. To correct this, I will adjust the white balance. Sometimes I like to reset it completely and start from scratch. I'm going to slightly increase the tint and just change the temperature slightly towards blue. Okay, that looks pretty good. Let's have a look at our before, after applying the preset, and after our small adjustment. This next photo is a raw photo taken with my Sony RX100V. This photo is taken at depth and it's very blue and it's hard to even see what's in the photo. I will use the preset called Reverie for this photo. Reverie is great for photos taken in deeper water as it adds back a lot of the reds and removes a lot of the blues. I like the way the colors look, but it's still a bit dark, so let's try to improve that. I will increase the exposure and the shadows. And I will also dehaze it just to get a bit more clarity. That looks pretty good. Let's have a look at our before, after applying the preset, and after our small adjustment. I hope this has been valuable and that you learned a few tricks. Please leave any feedback or questions in the comments. Bye everyone!